Most people check their bank account the same way they check the weather after it already rained. Too late, already wet, already frustrated. There is a 10-minute routine that changes that completely. 10 minutes once a month. That is all. And the people who do it consistently build more financial clarity and more actual wealth than people who think about money every single day without a system. Here is why most people never do a proper money check. Because it feels like opening a letter you already know has bad news inside. If you do not look closely enough, you can maintain the comfortable illusion that things are probably fine, that the account is probably okay, that the numbers probably add up. They do not. Not without a system. And avoiding the check does not change what is happening. It just means you find out later, at the worst possible moment, when the damage is already done. The 10-minute money check removes the fear. Because clarity, even uncomfortable clarity, is always better than expensive uncertainty. Here is the exact routine. 10 minutes, once a month, same day every month. The day after payday works best. Minute 1 and 2, check every account balance. Not just your checking, every account. Savings, investments, credit cards. Know the full picture. Write it down or put it in a simple note on your phone. Total assets minus total debts. That single number is your net worth. Watch it every month. If it is growing, you are building. If it is shrinking, something needs to change. Minutes 3 and 4. Find every transaction over $100. Just the big ones. Not every coffee. Scan for anything significant that you did not plan for. One unexpected large expense every month is normal. 3 or 4 is a pattern. Patterns are where financial leaks live. Minutes 5 and 6. Check your investment account. Did the automatic contribution go in this month? Is the balance higher than last month? You are not making investment decisions here. You are just confirming that the system is working, that the money moved, that the future is being funded. Minutes 7 and 8. Review your biggest recurring expenses. Rent, insurance, subscriptions, phone. Just confirm nothing increased without you noticing. Companies raise prices quietly and automatically. This 2-minute check catches it before it compounds into hundreds of dollars of unnoticed increases over a year. Minutes 9 and 10. Set one financial intention for the month ahead. Not a goal, not a resolution. One specific intention. This month, I will not use the credit card for anything unplanned. This month, I will transfer an extra $50 to savings. One thing. Small enough to actually do. Specific enough to actually measure. 10 minutes. Not 10 hours. Not a weekend of spreadsheets and anxiety. 10 minutes of honest, clear, deliberate attention to the money that runs your life. The people who do this are not financial experts. They are not naturally disciplined or uniquely organized. They just decided that 10 minutes of clarity every month was worth more than 30 days of expensive uncertainty. It is. Set the reminder now. Same day, every month, 10 minutes. That is it. That is the whole thing. Anna Investment is here every step of the way.